you know the rules of the road? A fatal mistake. If you don't. Hi, I'm your driving instructor. Join us to drive safely and avoid fines. Today we're going to practice the task of knowing the priority passage on the road. It's not an easy task, and only a few of our viewers can get it right. So here's the task. You see three cars on the road. Who should the blue car yield to? Choose one of the following options. Number 1, minibus only. Number 2, truck only. Number 3, minibus and truck. Number 4, nobody. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you'll find out if you got it right. I'll set the timer. You have 10 seconds to think it over. I hope you had time to decide because now we're moving on to the breakdown of this task. In the picture, we see three cars. There is an obstacle in the way of the blue car. In order to bypass it, the passenger car must enter the oncoming traffic lane where the minibus is moving. To the left of the blue car, on the upcoming side road, a truck is approaching, intending to turn right. To solve this task correctly, we need to analyze the picture in more detail. There are three important road signs visible. Work zone ahead. Orange signs indicate construction or maintenance areas. Drivers should slow down and be extra cautious. Upcoming side road. This warns about a T intersection where vehicles may enter from a side road. Road crew at work. Drivers should reduce speed, change lanes if necessary, and ensure no oncoming traffic before maneuvering. Now let's determine the right-of-way. The truck is coming from a T intersection and has a yield sign. This means it must give way to all cross traffic. So the blue car does not need to yield to the truck. However, the minibus is approaching on the main road from the opposite direction. Since the blue car has to enter the oncoming lane to bypass the obstacle, it must yield to the minibus to avoid a collision. The correct answer is number 1. The blue car should yield to the minibus only. Congrats if you got it right. If not, don't worry. Keep practicing and you'll master the road rules. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.